I'll show you some deals that I did at Target this week for July 28th through August 3rd. There's a spend $50, get $15 back on household items and a few other deals. The first item I got were 2 of the Scentiva wipes for $4.99. That's a total of $9.98. And then on Swagbucks, you can get $2.75 back, making it $7.23 or about $3.60 each. And I love this grapefruit scent. The Windex is also an item that counts towards the household promotion. It's $3.99. There's a $1 coupon within the app, making it $2.99. I like this. We don't get many deals on Windex, and it seems like there's a bunch of deals at different stores this week, not just Target, other stores. So it's good to see it at Target as well. I grabbed one of these. The Arm & Hammer Power Packs are $11.99. This is 44 load size. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $8.99. And of course, this counts towards the $15 gift card. Then you can get the 43 count Finish Power Packs for $11.99. There's a $3 Target Circle coupon. And of course, there's a few different other Finish products that apply to this promotion, but this is the one that I grabbed. Then I grabbed the Palmolive. It has a good digital coupon within the app. It's $3.19. You get $1.50 off, making it $1.69. And of course, this counts towards the spend $50, get a $15 gift card on household items. Next up, I got the Downy laundry rinse for $6.99. There's a $3.50 digital coupon in the app. If your store doesn't have this, try the Tide laundry rinse and see if they have that as well. I needed a few more dollars to hit $50, and these wet wipes are great for back to school. They're $3.49 for the 24 count. This whole basket minus the Dial soap refill was $51.62. I had $14.25 between coupons and rebates. $15 Target gift card ends up being $22.37. Or $2.79 each item, which is a 56% savings. And the Dial hand soap refills are $5.09. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $3.09. And as long as this is out there, I'm definitely grabbing this. It's a great deal. This is an easy deal. All you have to do is clip the $3.50 Target Circle coupon in the app. It's the Neutrogena Clear oil-free astringent. So I did hear good things about this, and if you want to try it, it's $6.79 minus the $3.50 digital, brings it down to $3.29. This huge bag of Pizza Pockets are on sale for $10.39 this week. And then there's a 50-cent Target Circle coupon and then 75 cents back on Ibotta, making it $9.14. It's an absolutely huge bag, so it's a great size for the value. These Ghirardelli chocolates are $12.99. I put a picture here because I couldn't find them in my store. There's a $4.50 Ibotta rebate, bringing it down to $8.49, and you can do this twice. The 6-pack of Snapple Minis are on sale. Buy one, get one 25% off, so that's $11.38 for 2. There's $4 back on Ibotta, bringing it down to $8.38. There's peach tea and apple. The San Pellegrino sparkling Italian drinks are on sale, 2 for $12. You get $2 back on each on Ibotta, making it $4 back. It ends up being $8 for both. You can do this up to 3 times, and then there's different rebates for different varieties up here. And there's also a bonus, so you can make a larger deal of this. There are several back-to-school items on sale. The crayons for 50 cents, which is good to see, and the markers for 50 cents, and the Crayola markers are 99 cents. There's a bunch of binders that are just at $3, and some highlighters and pens that are on sale as well. There are some Ibotta rebates that match up. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can come back for more videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.